Welcome to KB Career Point. Now we are going to see a quick revision in AP. Okay. For that, first before entering into the AP sums, first we need some basic formulas of the AP. What are the formulas we need means, first the general form of an AP we are having A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. A is the first term in the AP. Then common differences of D is equal to A2 minus A1 and is equal to A3 minus A1. That means the next term, second term minus first term, like that you are doing means common difference you will get. Then list of numbers in AP, A1, A2, A3, like that the list they will give to us. And then to find the nth term of an AP is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. To find the nth term of an AP from the end part we want to find the nth term means that time you use AN equal to L is the last term in that one minus N minus 1 into D. N is what means? N is the number of terms in the AP and D is the common difference. A is the first term, that is A1. A is A1. Then sum of first n terms is what means? If they are given some set of AP to us and asking us to add that one, sum that one means that time we have to do S is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Or if you are having last term in the AP means that time you use S is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Write first four terms of an AP. Write first four terms of an AP means what? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D they are asking with us. Okay, four terms. So A is what? A is 4. So A plus D is what? A is what? A in the place of A we will apply 4 and plus is there plus and minus 3. And here 4 plus 2 into D. 2 3s are 6 with minus. So minus 6 and 4. A is 4 plus 3 is there. So 3 into this is what? 3 into minus 3. 3 3s are 9, so minus 9. Now we are getting 4, this is plus and minus is minus, so 4 minus 3 is 1, then 4 minus 6 is, now integers you want to apply here, 4 minus 6 is how much? Minus 2, then 4 minus 9 is plus minus is minus, 4 minus 9 is minus 5. Otherwise, we can directly do this one. How we will do? First to write 4. Okay. What is the difference? Minus 3. So 4, just we have to add this, but here subtraction symbol is there. So it should be subtract. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So 1 minus 3 is what? From back we have to subtract. So from one back side you go. So 0, 1, 2. So minus 2. What is that one? That integer table you take minus 1, minus 2. 1 we are starting. So 1, 2, 3, minus 2. Then minus 2, from minus 2 we have to go 3 position back side only. So minus 2, from that minus 2 we are going minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 3 position. So minus 5. This is subtraction, so it is coming like this. If it is addition, it will be easy, more easier than this one. If it is 3 means, first term you write A is 4. Second term is what? Just you add 4 plus 3 is 7. Then with this number 7 you add 3, 10. Then with this 10 you add 3, 10 plus 3 is 13. Like that you do. The next term you increase by the D value or decrease by the D value. What they given as common difference that you use. This only. So first term, this is our first term. A1 and A2, A3, A4. And A1 is always equal to A. A1 is equal to A. So this is the basic concept in this one. Suppose they are asking with us 4. Always you are using 4. So we will change some number. So 2 comma. Difference next number is minus 1 by 2, like that they are asking means find the common difference. What is the common difference? A1, A2. Difference formula is what? A2 minus A1. A2 is here what they given in mixed fraction they given, make it as normal, that means improper fraction. So 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. That means this side you should multiply, here you should add. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So first you write minus 3 by 2, then minus this 2a1 you write here. Now see here, this is whole number, this is fraction. So write this as fraction form, then take LCM, 2 only the denominator, so multiply with 2. That time you will get minus 3 by 2, 2 2s are 4 minus 4 by 2. So both of them in minus, so in integer, if both of them in minus means what we will do? We have to add it. So 7, but the same minus symbol, and the denominator one time only you have to write 2. In addition and subtraction only we have to take LCM. In multiplication and division we don't need LCM, no need of LCM, that keep in mind. Okay, this is the sums which are related to the terms, identifying terms and common difference. Finding some missing terms in AP. This is one sum they are asking frequently in MCQ. They are asking how to find the missing term in AP. Suppose here like this, one term is missing in between means our mainly common difference is very helpful for us. If you are taking common difference, that time you can be able to find the x value easily. If 3 terms only is there means use common difference, because this difference and this difference will be same, then only they are representing the difference as common difference. Difference of the AP is always same only, so use that one. So this we will solve that one. What is the D formula? This is, we will keep as A1, A2, A3. So D formula is what? A2 minus A1 as well as A3 minus A2. These are all going to produce D only. So take this one, x minus 2. A2 minus A1 is equal to 26 minus x. So this x, move the like terms together. So x bring this side, number that side. So x minus x is coming this side is plus x, and minus 2 is going that side is plus 2. So x plus x and 26 plus 2. It is 2x and 28. So x is equal to 28. This is between no symbol. We cannot able to see any symbol. So it is in multiplication. Bring the 2 this side. It will become as division. So it is 14. X is what? 14. Value of x is 14. 1 mark. Okay. Then here also like this it will come. See, only 3 terms only is there, and the values are missing here. X value they given there. So how to find? Same. D only going to help us. Take D. So D is what? A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2. These are all D only. When you are taking this subtraction, D only will come. This subtraction, D only will produce. So take the D. So 2x, x plus 10 is A2 minus A1 is 2x, and A3 is what? A3 is 3x plus 2 minus A2 is x plus 10. Here see, if you are writing like this means it is wrong. Take in bracket, keep in bracket, because 2 terms are there. 1, 2 terms are there. So keep in, put in bracket. Then x plus 10 minus 2x. So 3x plus 2, this minus you distribute inside, minus plus is minus 10. Now this becomes as x minus 2x is what? Like terms join. Like terms means what? Same, looking same, that means x. Number, that is like term. So x minus 2x is how much? Minus 2 here in front, no number is not visible. So it is 1, keep us 1. So 1 minus 2 is 1. But the greatest number is what? 2. So 2 symbol is minus we are writing. Then plus 10. This side you solve. 3. And here again number is missing. So keep us 1. So 3 minus 1 is what? 2x. And this 2 minus 10, it is 8. Which symbol you have to put? Plus or minus? Here see, minus is the greatest number, so minus. That means 10 is the greater number, so that symbol you have to use. Now like terms you shuffle. Like terms here, bring here, this you take here. So minus 1 next. This in front of this 2, there is no symbol is visible, so it is plus. In between no symbol visible means it is multiplication. Front no symbol is means it is plus. So plus is coming this side is minus 2x and minus 8. This plus 10 is coming this side is minus 10. So this is minus 3x because both of them in minus. So you should add but put minus symbol and minus 18. Now this is in between multiplication. Bring this side is division. So x is equal to minus first you will cut. So 18 by 3 6 are 18. X is 6. Okay, easy sum. Like this sums also they are asking in the board. Find the missing term. If 3 is means you are solving like this. More than 3 terms means we have to take the term, which term that is that related we have to proceed. That also we will see. Now in this one 4 terms they given A1, A2, A3, A4. So it is continuous term. So we will try in D itself. So D is equal to A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. We will write like this. All of them going to produce D only to us. So which is favor for us? These two are favoring for us because y is there. So that both of them we will take. Now shuffle that one. Rearrange this one. Like terms with like terms. So this is coming this side it is plus y. This is going this side is plus 13. So y plus y equal to 3 already is here. The 3 minus 13 coming this side is plus 13. So 2y equal to 16. So y equal to 16. This is multiplication. Coming this side is division. 16 to 8. Okay. So this term is 8 for us. Now y got us 8. So why can't we use this 2? Now we need to use this 1. So 13 minus x is equal to y 8 minus 13. In the place this 2 we took. The y place 8 we substituted. So 13, then this 13, don't cut this one because this 13 don't cut because this is minus, this is plus. Two different symbols are there. Same symbol means we can cancel it. It is different symbol, so don't cancel it. Bring this side, minus is coming this side is what? Plus. And 8, this is going that side is plus x. Okay. So we are getting what we are getting 8. But before this one we can solve like this also. We will solve like this. First we solve this one. What is this? Minus 5, 13 minus 6. So minus 5 you bring here, it is plus 5 and minus x bring here, it is plus x. So x is equal to what? 18. Over. So now you see 18. What is the difference of this one? 18 minus 13 minus 18 minus 5. D is what? Minus 5. We solved. D is minus 5 of this one. Then we are coming here. What is this? Next sum. Minus 4 here. So A1 they given us. Then A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 they given to us. In between all of them is missing. If I am using B now means it will not work here because it's not continuously is there. Some big gap is there. So 6th term only we are having. But A1 we are having. So use this 6th term. 6th term AN is equal to 6. That means A6 equal to 6 they given. And this is using formula A plus N minus 1 into B. A nth formula we will use term formula. So A is what? A, this A6 how we will expand? A plus 6 minus 1. Reduce 6 minus 1 is what? 5. 5D equal to 6. So A is what here? This is only A. A1 only A. So A is minus 4 plus 5D equal to 6. So bring this on 5D equal to 6 minus 4 coming this side is plus 4. So 5D is 10. So D is equal to 10 divided by 5 is 2. D is 2. This same sum how they will ask? The first term of an AP, is minus 4 and its sixth term is 6. Find the series, like that they will ask. Find the difference or find the series of this one they will ask. So first term on AP means what? what? It is A1 is minus 4 and A6 is what? 6. Sixth term is 6. A1 is 4 means minus 4 means A is also minus 4 only. D if we are getting means automatically we can find the series. First term and D only we need. So minus 4 is the first term. Okay, minus 4. Minus 4 plus 2 means subtraction. Minus 4 plus 2 is subtraction. So it is producing minus 2. Then minus 2 plus 2 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Just add the D with the terms, each term, then you will get the. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So they are asking us to find the 31st term of an AP. In this AP, whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Okay. So what we have to find the 31st term? So 31st term only, so the A31 we have to find. And whose 11th term is 38? 11th term is 38 means A11 is means equal 38. And 16th term is 73 and A16 is 73. 16th term means A16. So A11 how we will write? Expanded. A plus 11 means 10. 10D. 1 subtract and write 38. This is our first equation. And here we are writing means A plus 16 means what? 15D. How it came? In the formula base only A plus n minus 1 into D, that is the AN formula. Based on this one only we expanded. Otherwise directly write A plus 16 means 15D. Okay. This is our second term. What you have to do? Now elimination or substitution method you have to do in these two equations and we can able to find A and D. So solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. So A plus 10D is 38 and A plus 15D is 73. Here both of them same symbol, so we can add only, we can able to do. So what we will do? 1 minus to subtract. So change the symbol. Plus become minus, here symbol no symbol, so plus, plus is minus, here also no symbol, so plus is minus. Now this plus A minus A cancelled, we are having 10D minus 15D, it is minus 5D, subtract, this symbol is not now, this new symbol is activated, and 38 minus 73 we will write, it will be 13 minus 8 is 5 and 6, 3, 35. And which 35 means 73 is greater, so the symbol is minus, so minus 35, this minus cut, and E equal to 35 divided by 5, 5 7s are 35, D is 7. Now D we got, we can substitute in any one of the equation 1 and 2, we will substitute it. Substitute, I am substituting in first equation, so A plus 10D equal to 38. So A plus 10, this is multiplication into D is what? 7 equal to 38. Now A plus 70 equal to 38. This 70 you bring here. So A equal to 38 and minus 70. It is 38 minus 70 is subtract and write. What will be? So it is 2 and 3 is 6, 3, 32 minus 32. A is minus 32. Okay, this is the answer, and they are asking A31 from us. We will calculate A31 also. So A31 is equal to A plus 30D. Because 31, so 30D. A is minus 32 plus 30. D is what? 7. So minus 32, 7 3s are 21, 0, 210. Then subtract and write, you will get the answer. So 210 and 32 we are subtracting. It is 10 plus 2 is 8 and 0, 1. So 10, 7 and 178 plus 178 is the answer for this one. Okay? Yeah, 31st term. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. That means 17th term is 7 more than 10th term. So how we will write? 17th term is, comparing with 10th term, it is 7 more. Okay. So exceeds 7, so exceed by 7 terms. Sorry. Exceed by 7. Or we can write this one as A17 and A10 subtraction gives 7. That means the variation is 7. Exceeds means more. Comparing with this one, it is 7 more. Then you expand this one. A17 is what? A plus 16D and A plus 9D. Otherwise, in this one we will do this one easy. Here we will do. So the movement will come here. Here no movement. So A plus 16D here 17. So 16D minus. Here two terms will come. Right in bracket. A plus 9D equal to 7. Bracket expand. 16D minus A. This plus minus minus 9D equal to 7. A plus A minus A cut. 16D minus 9D is 7D equal to 7. So D is 1. D is 1. Okay, in this one, if the third term and ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8, which term of an AP is 0? Okay, so which term of an AP is 0 means A third term is 4 and ninth term is minus 8. Which term of an AP is 0 means A in 0, that time N is what they are asking with us. Now we expand this one. A plus 2D equal to 4. 3 is there, so 2D. Here A plus 8D equal to minus 8. 9 means 8. 1 reduce and write. Now as usual, you do the elimination method in this one. So A plus 2D is equal to 4. A plus 8D equal to minus 8. Now change the symbol. Plus A minus A, it's cancelled. So minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6D and 10. Sorry, 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. So D is 12 by minus 6. It is minus 2. D is minus 2. Then substitute in any one of the equation. I am going to substitute in this equation. So A plus 2D equal to 4. This equation will give us 1. Substitute ds minus 2 in 1. So A plus 2 into D is minus 2 equal to 4. So A plus this 2 2's are 4 minus 4 equal to 4. This 4 is coming here. That is 4 plus 4 is 8. A is 8. Now A and D we found. From this one we can check this one. What is the nth term of that one? So A n is 0. Okay. This we will expand. A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 0. A is what? 8. N minus 1 and D is what? Minus 2. So this plus 8 bring here. Don't expand this one. Keep as it is. Bring it this one. Minus 8. Now it will divide. This minus 2 will bring here. Minus 8 by minus 2. It is 4. And this minus 1 coming this side is plus 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. So the number of term is nth term. What is the which term it is becoming 0 means 5. The counting is 5. That term at A5 it becomes as 0. Clear? How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Find the sum of their digits also. This type of sums also frequently they are asking in the board. So for how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? 3-digit numbers means what? 3-digit numbers where it is starting from 100 to 100 it is starting, but it is ending at 999 only. So in this one what they are asking mainly we have to focus here divisible by 7. 7 divisor only they are asking here. So how to find the 7 divisor? Don't calculate, don't take individually one number and don't divide it. One simple trick is that first you take the first beginning number and divide by 7. What is the remainder you check? Remainder is 2. That means 2 only is the problem here to make this 100 to become as a divisible by 7. Okay, divisor of 7. So what we have to do? To make this one, either we have to subtract by 2 or add by to become 2 wants to become as 7 means what? 5. So 5 more number it required to become as 7. Okay, 2 is unwanted. If I am removing 2 means 98 will come. If I am adding 5 means 105 will come. See, this total will be 2, 7 only will come. Okay, so like this you see here, minus 2, that means you don't want that number means reduce it. You want that means more number we need means when it will become 7, that time you check it. Addition 5 you have to do here. So 105 it is coming here. We don't want 2 digit number, so we will select 105. So 105 is the beginning digit of this one. What is the next number? What is that number? Which number we are dividing? 7 only. So add by 7. So our D is 7. Okay. What the divising? Multiple of 7. Same thing only. Multiple of 7. Multiple of 8. Whatever the number they are giving, same concept only. So first the divisor, the difference only. That number, what the number they given, that number only our difference. And the beginning number is okay. So the second number is, if you want to write, we want last number only. So last number we will check 9999. There also already I put division here. Here it is 5 is that one. So this also we will check. 999 we will check. Okay. So and this number if I am removing means 994. If I am doing minus 5 means 994. To make this a 7 plus 2 also we can do. That is 2. Total it is coming as 7. Okay. So it is 100 and 1001 it is coming. We don't want 4 digit number. So this number we don't want. We will take this one 994. Okay. So 994 is the last digit here. Why we need recover the last digit means we here how many 3 digit numbers. So how many means kitna. So how many n only they are asking. That means number of terms in the 3 digit number only. So n we have to find. Okay. So our an is here. An is 994. And our first number is 105 is use the sum of the terms for number of terms formula. A plus n minus 1 into d. And an is 994. And the first number is 105 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 7. Already I told you, don't distribute this inside, the 7 inside, and don't die. Bring this one here, just enough. So this plus is what? Minus equals n minus 1 into 7. Now this multiplication bring us division here. So now you subtract this one 994. When you are subtracting with 105 you are getting 14, 14, 9. This is 8, 8. Then 9 1 by is 8, 8, 8, 9. Now bring this one divided, it is 7. Okay. So n minus 1. Now you do the division 7 ones are 7 and balance is 7 ones are 14. Balance is 7 7 are 49. N minus 1. Bring this minus 1 here, it is plus 1. So n is equal to 127 plus 1, that is 128 is the number of terms. One type of question is that find the sum of their digits. So sum of their digits we will do. How many digits are there? 128 digits are there. Find the sum of this one. What is the sum formula? In the paper you should write the formula also. Then formula carrying marks. N minus 1 into d. Here last term is with us. So we will write S n is equal to n by 2. Easy formula we will take a plus l. It's enough for us. So here 128 terms are there. 128 divided by 2. A first term is 105. Last term is 994. Okay. Now you divide this one to 2 6 are 2 4 are 8. So 64 multiplication bracket you solve it. So 105 994 plus 105 is 9 and 9 10. So then you multiply and give, this is your answer. Okay. So like this only you have to do here when you are taking this type of sums. First you have to derive that terms here by this method. Then you start to do what the thing they are asking, sum, either sum or how many terms. This two only the concepts they are asking here. Okay. Find the 20th term from the last term of AB 3, 8, 13 and this one. What they are asking, not from the first, from the beginning they are not asking the 20th term. What is it one? From the last term. From the back side only they are asking. So from this only it is going to start. For this separate formula is that from the last term to find the term. So an is equal to L minus n minus 1 into d. Our normal formula is what? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Only difference is in the a place L is there because last term only our first term here. Instead of plus minus only, this only you have to do. So what is the thing? So L is what? 253. What is the difference here? Difference, normal difference only you take. So 8 minus 3, that means A2 minus A1, that formula you use. So 5 is coming for us. Enough, substitute in this one. So AN is equal to 253 minus n minus 1 is 20. So here 20th term. So n is 20. N also they given here. N is 20. Okay. So 20 minus 1 into d is what? 5. So 253 minus 19 into 5. First you don't subtract this one. If you are subtracting this and writing means it is wrong. You will get wrong answer. First what you have to do? Keep the board pass in your mind. First multiplication. Here bracket is there. Division also not there. Only multiplication is there. Use the multiplication first. Don't do this one first. Okay. So 19 into 5. You multiply 9 into 5. 5 nines are 45. 4, 5, 9, 95. So 253 minus 95 subtracted, you will get the answer. Okay. So subtracted, you will get the answer as 8, 4, 14, 9, 5, 158 is the answer for this one. Okay. So only the formula is this only with the formula. You have to use this formula from the last term you want the term means. The sum of the 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24. This term, see here, this term what it is telling? Sum of the 4th and 8th term only. Okay. So here 4th and 8th term, what you have to do? Sum only. So sum we are doing here is 24. And the sum of the 6th and 10th term is 44. So sum of the 6th and 10th term is 44. Okay, what you have to do? First the 3 terms of an AP. That means AP they are asking us to form here. Okay, we have to form the AP here. Okay, so now we will expand this one. How? Already I told you, suppose if A5 is there, means what you do? A plus 4D. Using the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. Same thing only here. A4 means what? A plus 4 reduce 1, so 3D. Plus A8 means A plus 8 is the reduce 1, so 7D is 24. Then how many A's are there? 2A is there plus 2A, and the 7 plus 3 is what? 10D equal to 24. Now see here, everything is here 2 divisor. 2 tables only. So divide this equation with 2 and reduce the term. A plus, then divide this one with 2, divide this one with 2, divide this one with 2. So A is coming, 2 5s are 10, so 5D and it is 12. This is our first equation. Then we are coming for this one, A6 plus A10. So A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. A6 you expand, A plus 5D. This plus symbol as it is you write, and A10 is what? A plus 9D. Because 10 is there, so 9D is equal to 44. Now you solve this one. How many A's are there? 2A plus how many D's are there? 9D and 5D. It is 14D. That means like terms only you add up. 44. This also, these are 2 tables only. It can be able to divide by 2. So divide by 2. So it will be A. Now it's become as A 70 and it is 22. It is our second equation. Okay. Now you solve the first one. Solve 1 and 2 or subtract 1 and 2. Okay. Because all of them same symbol plus plus only it is carrying. So we will subtract it. So A plus 5D is equal to 12. Elimination method only. A plus D is equal to 22. Elimination don't do also. Follow this. Then automatically elimination will come. Do put here what is the symbol? Plus. No symbol is visible. So plus. Change the symbol as minus. This is plus. So change the symbol as minus. Here also no symbol is visible. So plus changes it minus. Now this is your new symbol. Old symbol you remove or cancel it. Now what? This a plus a and minus a, 0 a cancelled. And plus 5 minus 7 is what? Minus 2d. Here minus 10. So d is this minus cancel. 10 by 2 it is 5. d is 5. Then come and substitute d in any one of this equation, we will get a. Substitute d as 5 in equation 1. Okay, so a as a plus 5, d is there no, so d in this one multiplication symbol, so multiply this 5 equal to 12, that is a plus 25 equal to 12, and a is equal to 12 minus 25, it is minus 13, a is minus 13, come over. A and d is there means we can able to create AP very easily. So to form the AP, what is the formula we are using? A plus d, a plus 2d. If you don't know this formula also, already I told you, write the first term. And what is the difference? That difference then you add. Then what will come? It will be minus 8 will come. Then 3 terms only they are asking. No, next to minus 8 plus 5 you give. So minus 13 minus 8, that means this term and plus 5. Minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. This is our term here. Otherwise you substitute in the formula. A is what? A is a plus d, a plus 2d. This formula also. A is minus 13, a plus d is minus 13 plus 5, a minus 13 plus 2 5s are 10. This only. It will bring automatically same term only, same thing only it will get. We will get. Okay? Okay? Okay, practice. In a flower bed, there are 23 rose plants in the first row. Okay, first they given, so 23 in the first row, 21 in the second row, 19 in the third, and so on. There are 5 rose plants in the last row. That means last term is 5. How many rows are there in the flower bed? How many rows is there? So first row, second row, third row, like this rows are there. So n only they are asking. How many rows are there means that number of rows in this one only they are asking. N we have to find. A is what? First term only, A1 only, A for us, that is 23. And this one difference is second term minus first term. That means DA2 minus A1. When we are subtracting, what it will come? It will be minus 2. And what is the last term? Last term is 5. L only AN. Okay, we can easily find using the AN formula. A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 5 and A is 23 plus N minus 1. N only we are coming here to find. And D is what? Minus 2. Now you do, first you move this one only. Don't move anything. Don't do anything. This one only. 5 minus 23 is equal to N minus 1 into minus 2. So minus you are doing means it will be minus 18. Now if this is coming here, this is between here, no symbol is visible, it is multiplication. So minus 2 it is coming here means division. So N minus 1. Now this bracket we don't want because we will open because it is a single total, it is a single term only. Minus minus will go, so 2 9s are 18. That is N minus 1 is equal to 9, N is equal to 9 plus 1, that is 10. So number of terms is in this one, number of rows is 10 only here. A sum of 1000 is invested at 8% simple interest per year. Okay, they are going to interest some amount 1000 rupees in 8% interest they are going to deposit at one to get the simple interest. Calculate the interest at the end of each year. What they will get, say interest at the end of each year you have to calculate. Do these interest form an AP? Is this forming an AP they are asking? First we will check. If it is forming an AP means find the interest at the end of 30 years. That means N they given us 30. AP it is forming means that means difference to form. If to check AP, what you have to check? Check the difference. Check the difference. If the difference is same, D is same means that time it will be, it is here AP. Okay. So first what they are given, first they are starting with A only, sum of 1000 is invested at 8%. What is the formula of simple interest? Simple interest formula is PTR by 100. P is the principal amount what they are depositing there, and T is the time, that means years, and R is the rate of interest. Okay, so P is what? P is 1000 here. Time is every year you have to calculate 1, 2, 3 we will calculate, and R is the interest, that means 8% is given here. We will substitute in this one. At first year we will calculate, that means 1000 into 1 into 8 by 100. So cut this one, we will get 80. At second year, so they will get 1000 into 2 into 80 by 100. That time it will go 8 to 16, 160. Okay, in third year, in Newton. Okay, in third year, only the time only I changed. Okay, rest of that one is same only, 240. Now you check what is the difference here. This is 80 is the difference. What is the difference here? This is also 80. Yes, it is in AP. So 80, 160, 240. Enough. 3 terms is enough. Yes, in AP. First part is over. Do this interest form in AP. First part is over. Yes, in AP. Find the interest at the end of 30 years they are asking. That means at the end of the 30 year, what is the interest? That means A30 they are asking. What is the A30? For this one, we will use the formula, AN formula we will use and do this. AN formula is A plus N minus 1 into D. A is here 80. N is 80, D is 80 and N they given as 30. So A30 is equal to 80 plus 30 minus 1 into 80. So 80 plus 29 into 80. 80 plus this 29 into 80. The answer 2320 we are getting. When we are adding this one 2400, this is the interest we will get at the end of 30 years. This much is the simple interest we will get. This is the answer for this one. Like this, some sums they will give. In the statement sums it will come. Otherwise in the case based sum will come. You carefully read the question and what they ask. They are asking the number of terms or the number of terms in this one. Otherwise particular terms they are asking. That means nth term they are asking. Otherwise sum they are asking. What they are asking in that question. Read thoroughly the question and think and give the answer. Find the sum of the first 1000 positive integers as well as the first of n positive integer. Two sums is there. Sum only they are asking. So first n 1000 positive integers, so we will write. Positive integer only asking. Integer means plus and minus numbers will come. Here they are asking only positive only. So write 1, 2 up to 1000. So our last term is there, A is also there, B is what? 1. Okay. So what is the sum formula? Sn formula, two types of formula is there, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l is there. Okay. So first 1000 positive integers only they are asking. So n also what? 1000 only. So yes, 1000 divided by 2. A is 1 plus L is what? 1000. It is 500 into, that means cancel this one is 500, divide this one. So 1001. Then we are multiplying means it will come 500500 is coming. This is the sum of the first 1000 positive integer. This is the first division. Second sum you are seeing means here the first n positive integer they are asking. N positive integer, that means 2 up to n terms they are asking. Just simply take the same formula, Sn is equal to, because number of terms is what? First n positive integer. So n is also what? N only. N by 2 into a is here 1 and L last term is N. So N into N plus 1 by 2 is the answer of this one. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum 636? How many terms? How many terms means what? N number of terms only they are asking. So A is with us 9 and difference also we can get from by subtracting 17 and 9 we will get 8. And sum also they are given as a sum as 636. So which formula we have to take to find the n means take the sum formula, not the term formula, because sum is with us. Sum answer with us. So sum formula is what? Sn is equal to a n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Which formula is good for here means this formula, because last term it is not here. So don't use this formula here, this formula you use here. So yes, sum is here. So sum is what? This question you replace 636 because sum they given. N only we are going to find n by 2 and 2 into a is what? 9. This plus as it is you write. N we don't know. D we know. D is what? 8. Between this one is multiplication. Now bring this 2 here. So 2 into 636 equal n 18 plus. Now you have to distribute this one only because there is no chance. We cannot able to bring 8 here. This opposite side. Why? Because this is in bracket. So first you have to distribute this one. 8n minus 8. Don't bring 8 here as division because these are all in the bracket, everything together, not able to bring 8 only here. Okay, don't do like that. Now you have to distribute only 8n minus 8. Here I am not multiplying, why I am telling. So 18n, now this n also. This 18 and 8 will subtract here. What it will come? This 2 is becoming as 10. So 10 into n is 10n plus 8 into n. Already n is there. n is what? N square. N into n is n square. Not 2n. Not 2n. It is wrong. Addition only 2n. Okay. Now see here. Everything is here. 2 is there. Here also 2 divides. 10 is in 2 tables. 8 in 2 tables. So divide everything with 2. We will get 636 5n plus 4n square. Bring all the terms one side. That time we will get 4n square arranging in quadratic equation form. 4n square first I am writing 5n then plus 5n. This 636 is coming this side means what is the symbol here? In front no symbol, so that means plus. Coming this side is minus. Minus 636 is equal to 0. Now you have to do the factorization. That means first and last you take 4 into 636. The total sum of what you check, do the factorization. Splitting the middle term or use minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a formula to find the value of x. 2 value will come here. It will be 53 and 48 we will get. Okay. I hope you know the procedure. So according to the procedure you do that one. Plus 53n minus 48 minus 636 equal to 0. Okay, so now here what is the common here? N only common here. Numbers are, this is odd number, this is even number, this is odd number. So take n only as common. 4n, 1n I took outside, so another n is here. Okay, 4n plus 53. Then here n I must. Okay. 48 is there between this one. What is the common means? It will come as 12 will come. Okay, minus I took outside, so 12 4s are 48, 4n. This minus, now minus I took outside, this minus become as plus because minus I took outside, so we have to change and write the symbol here. Plus, then here 53 will come. Okay, now this both are then common, that you write outside. N minus 12 equal to 0. So what the answers are coming here? Two answers we are getting. First answer as 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. Another as n minus 12 equal to 0. Move this one here, we are getting, first we are moving here means 4n minus 53 and is equal to minus 53 by 4. And here n is equal to 12. This is in negative, n is in negative. So it will not a term. We cannot able to use. So it is not here. So it is not the number of term. So n is 12 only the number of term. This is the answer for us. If n is negative or in fraction, don't use. The first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. So what they given first from that this given question, extract the information from this one and write the related things in alphabet. Okay. First term of an AP is 5. That means first term means what? A1. We can use that as A also. Is 5 means 5. So A is 5 with us. Then the last term is 45 given. So last term is what? L. Last term is 45. That means L is means mathematical equation is 45. And the given sum is 400. That means yes, sum of n terms. Sum n terms is 400. Sum is n means Sn is equal to 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference they are asking. Number of terms means n they are asking with us as well as d they are asking. So the given information, these three information using we are going to proceed. So here sum they given, so we will use sum formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d or n by 2 a plus l. Here L and A with us, so this formula we don't want, this we will take. Okay? Because from this one, why A is with us, L is with us, we can find N. Use this one, Sn is equal to N by 2 into A plus L. Here what is the symbol between this one? Multiplication. Sn place you write 400 and N place we don't know, that is only number of terms. Number of terms N by 2 into A is what? 5 and L is 45. Now bring this here. This division, this is what? In division coming this side is multiplication. So 400 into 2 is equal to N into 50. It is 4 2s are 8, 800 is N into 50. This multiplication coming this side is division. So 800, n is equal to 800 by 50, 0, 0 cut. So 5 ones are 5, now divide it. So n is equal to 5 ones are 5, balance is 3, 5 6 are 30. N is 16, number of terms in this one is what? 16. Then we have to find common difference. Common difference either we have to, you can use this one, otherwise an formula we will use because n we found as well as last term is with us. Last term in the an formula you are writing means this is only an. Last term is only an. Okay. So we will use an formula and we will get this one. Otherwise use this formula and get. That is depend upon your thing only. You can use anything. Both of them will proceed B. Okay. So I am going to use an only. Okay. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is 45. Because last term is only an is 45, a is 5 plus 16 minus 1 into d, I don't know. And this 5 as usual, don't do here, don't know distribution here, this you bring 5. 45 minus 5 is equal to, this is what? 15d. Okay, so this is 40 and 15d, d is equal to, this is multiplication coming this side is division. So 40 by 15. Now divide this with the 5 tables up and down. 5 8s are 40, 5 3s are 50. Otherwise cancel. You know means directly you cancel it. Okay. So this is the value of the sum finish. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP. Okay. First this part you see sum of first 51 terms. So yes 51 they are asking this. And they given their second and third term are Carefully read the question. Are they asking term? Are they given term with you or sum with you? That you have to carefully watch. Sometimes they will give sum, sometimes terms. So first you have to read the question properly and check is that sum or given thing is sum or term. Okay. So here they given us second term A2 is 14 and A3 is 18 they given. A2 is A plus D is 14 and A3 is A plus 2D is equal to 18. You know, 1 you reduce and write with D. That's all. Okay, 18. Now what you have to do? Sum we have to do. We don't have last term. What is A? That means number of terms N as 51 they given to us. But A51 is what we don't know. That means last term we don't know. Last term we are having means we can use the formula. And A also we can find that one. A also not with us. And here B also not. Because both the formula you are seeing means Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. And another formula is n by 2 into A plus L. In this one, all the categories missing only n only we are having. A is not there, B is not there. N only we are having. N value is there. N as 51 we are having. Okay. So first our duty is what? To find any one of this one. At least D or A. Okay. D we can able to find because here see second and third terms only they given 2 consecutive terms. That means A1, A2, A3. A1 we don't know but A2 what they given? 14 and 18 they given there. 2 consecutive terms. So we know D easily we can find A3 minus A2. We are having what are the D formula? Consecutive differences only. D formula is what? A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. Like that it will go. Okay. So A3 minus A2 we can do. A3 is 18, A2 is 14. So difference is what? 4. Difference easily we found. Okay. Now A also we will find. A is what? A2 we are having 14. A previous term now. Next term means you add D. Previous term in there need means subtract D. So we will subtract D and write. That means 10. 10, 14, 18. Job over. A is also 10. Little bit logically you think easy sums. So Sn is what? Sn is equal to, this formula is enough for us because L we don't know. L we don't know. So this we will use n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So Sn is how we have to find Sn and 51 by 2 between this one multiplication. A is how much? A is 10 plus 51 minus 1 D is 4. Now calculate. This not able to cancel, so retain this answer is 20 plus 50 into 4. 51 minus 1 is 50 into 4. Use Bodemas. When you are using Bodemas, what you have to use? When we are using Bodemas, first you have to give preference to bracket. Here we are having bracket. It's okay, bracket entering. Here plus and multiplication is there. Whom I have to give first preference means multiplication or division. Division I don't have here, multiplication. So first I have to do multiplication. So 51 by 2, 20 plus 4 5s are 20, 200. Then addition inside the bracket only. So 51 by 2, 220. Between this one is multiplication. So we expose the multiplication here. Remove the bracket. So 2 and 11, 110. Then multiply and give the answer. Answer is 5610. This is the sum of first 51 terms answer. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AB is 49, that means sum of first 7 terms. So sum of first 7 terms S7 is of an AB is 49. So S7 sum of first 7 terms. That means S7 not A7. If you are writing A7 is wrong. Sum, carefully see, sum of first 7 terms. So S7 is 49 and that of 17 terms. Here suddenly you are seeing 17 terms. Okay, A17, like that you are writing. You people are writing not like that. And that of English verbs here. So that of means what? Some only, and that of means some only they are representing here. That of means what? Previous only, some only. That means S17 is 289. Now A nothing is there, B also nothing is there. They are asking us sum of first 11 terms. So S11 they are asking. S7 you expose. S7 how we will write? Formula only, because here A, D nothing is there. L also not there. So first formula only we are using. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This we will use. So S7 is what? N is with us, because n location only 7 is there. So 7 by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. N minus 1 is n is 7. So 7 minus 1 is 6D. And this S7 we are having. S7 is what? 49. So this place we will replace as 49. Now this 2 you bring here. 2 into 49 is equal to 7. Otherwise you bring this one thing we will do. Here number is there, no? This part you bring this side. That means 7 by 2 coming this side is become as reciprocal. That means 2 by 7 into 49 is equal to 2A plus 6D. So 7 sevens are 49. Here see, everything is 2 tables only. So divide everything with 2. So here it will go, here it will go, it will become 3. So 7 is equal to A plus 3D will come. This is our first equation. Then come here, second part, S17. So S17 is equal to 289 they given. S17 we will expose. N is 7, 17 here. So 17 by 2 into 2A plus N is 17. So 17 minus 1 into D is equal to 289. As usual, this only for this S17 only we expanded this formula. This 2 again 17 by 2 bring here as reciprocal. So 2A plus this will become as 16. 17 minus 1 is becoming as 16D. 289 into 2 by 17. 17 17s are 289. At least you have to study up to 30 squares. So 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4, what is that square numbers you memorize? It will be very helpful for your board exam. Now here also see, everyone is here also 2, 16 also 2 tables will come, and here also 2 is there. So what will do? Entirely divide by 2. So A plus 8D to 2 will go 17. This is our second equation. Now as usual elimination method we will use. We can eliminate these two things by changing their symbol. So what we will do? 1 minus 2 we will do elimination subtraction. That means first we will write this first equation. Here A plus 3D first I am writing. So A plus 3D equal to 7. Then A plus 8D is equal to 17. What I told you already. Check the symbol. Here nothing is there, so keep plus. Change symbol minus. This also minus. Here no symbol plus, so minus. So now you have to use the new symbol only. Plus A minus A 0. So 3 plus 3 minus 8 is what? Minus 5B. And minus 17 plus 7 is minus 10. Again I am telling, two integer numbers are there. One is in plus, another one is minus. Subtract but give the greatest number symbol. Similarly, two numbers are there with the negative symbol. You have to add it, put the same symbol. Okay, integer recalling. Now minus minus cut, 5 2s are 10. So D is what? D is 2. We are getting 2. Now we can find A easily by substituting this any one of this equation. I am going to substitute in the first equation. Substitute D as 2 in A plus 3D equal to 7. So this location 3 into D is what? 2, 7. So a plus 3 to 6 is equal to 7. 6 you bring here. That time it becomes minus 6. It is 1. So a is 1 for us. A and D we got. We can now proceed for the sum of first 11 terms. S11 we can use. Sorry, n terms, not 11 terms. N terms, S of n terms, they are asking n terms. So n by 2 formula 2a, 2 into 1. Why we are not proceeding for a plus l formula n by 2? Because l is not with us. This is enough for us. So plus n minus 1 into d is 2. Every time I used to tell no need to distribute. Here you check need of distribution is necessary or not. Yes, here necessary because everything inside the bracket. Here I cannot able to bring separately 2 outside and not able to cut this 2 also because it is wrong. Why? What is the reason? Because everything in bracket. First you have to solve this bracket. So n by 2, 2 ones are 2 plus distribute this one 2n minus 2. This 2 will go. Why cancelling? Because inside the bracket only plus 2 minus 2 0. Same part only. You can do like this. N by 2 into this is 2n. Because nothing is left over. This 2n only is left over. But between this one is multiplication symbol. So 2 to cancel. Now we are having n into n is n squared, not 2n. N multiplication n means n power only should increase. So n square. This is the answer. Clear? If nth term of an AB is 3 plus 4n. Matlab, nth term of an AB is 3 plus 4n means what? Nth term is 3 plus 4n. That means an is 3 plus 4n. They are asking find the sum of first 15 terms. Yes, 15 is what they are asking with us. Here series also, AP series also directly they didn't given. We have to form the AP series here. How to form? Simple. N values only you change. First we put n as 1 because this is the general term of this one. With this general term we can derive that one. And this general term also carefully you see this is term or it is sum. Here they given term only. Okay, so term here I am writing. If sum means sum, yes and I have to write. This is term only, so term I am writing here. N as 1 when I am substituting what will come in the place of n 4 into n. Okay, 4 into 1. Now I am getting 3 plus first multiplication only. Board must keep in mind multiplication. So 4 into 1 4. It is 7. First term is 7. Second term is again 3 plus 4 into n is 2. N as 2 is 2. That means 3 plus 2 4s are 8. 8 that is 11. Enough 2 terms for us because D we can find from that one. So D is what? 11 minus 7. A2 minus A1. Write A2 minus A1. Suppose in case our calculations are going wrong means the time our formulas help us to get marks. So A2 minus A1 is what? 11 minus 7 is here 3 there 1 4. D is 4. A is with us. Sum we will lead. So yes 15. Yes 15 only they are asking no. So yes 15. So 15 by 2 formula you have to write 2 into A is 7 plus 15 minus 1 into D is what? 4. So 15 by 2 14 plus 14 into 4. Now 15 by 2 14 plus 4 4s are 16 4 1s are 4 5 56 and this will become as 15 by 2 into this is multiplication only inside bracket only. Add 10, 5, 6, 7, 70. It is 35. Multiply and write the answer 525. Okay, the answer is 525. Now see, if the sum of first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square. What they given? Sum of first n terms, not term only. Sum they given sum of n terms. So write Sn. So Sn is 4n minus n square. Okay. Sum of first n terms is what? 4n minus n square they given. It is not term. An not. It is not an. Sum. Clearly open your eyes and see the question paper. Sum. So Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. As usual, S1 you take In the place of n you substitute 1. Here what? In this 4 and n between multiplication only 4 multiplied by n minus n into n. First I am expanding this one for our convenience. Now you substitute s1. 4 into 1 minus 1 into 1. That means 4 minus 1, 3. First sum is s1 is 3 and s2 is 4 into 2 minus 2 into 2. In the places of n we are substituting 1 and 2. Okay. 4 2s are 8 minus 2 2s are 4. Second term is 4. Sum of the second one is sum of two terms is 4. That means sum of two terms means what? a1 plus a2 is 4. Sum of first term means what? a1 only. One term only we are adding means what? First term is a. That means this is representing a only. Then a1 plus a2 only second term. It is 4. a1 already we are having what? 3. So substitute 3. 3 plus a2 is 4. So a2 is 4. This 3 is coming this side is 4 minus 3. That is a2 is 1. a2 is second term is 1. Then find the difference. Third term also they are asking. Third term we can find. A1 we know, A2 we know. A1 is this one, A2 is this one. D we can find. D is what? D is A2 minus A1 difference. So A2 is 1 and A3, A1 is 3. So it is minus 2. D is minus 2. D with us. How many terms also we can find? What are the sum also we can find if we are having A and D. Okay. So what the thing they are asking? Third term. Okay, A3 they are asking. A3 without calculation itself we can able to find what is the A2. A2 is 1 and A3 is what? Plus B. A2 plus B is A3. A2 is 1 and B is minus 2. That means minus 1. This is the value of A3. Minus 1 is the A3. So term we are writing means how the AP is there. AP is 3. 1 minus 1, this is the AP. AP is this one. Easily you can find. When you are subtracting S2 minus S1, that will produce A2. Because S1 is A, S2 is A2 plus A1. So A1 is eliminated, A2 we will get. S2 minus S1 is A2. And S1 is always A1. You keep this in your mind. Clear?